Okay, this may sound really fucking crazy. It's 4:30 in the fucking morning. And normally when you hear birds, you know, it signifies morning and stuff like that, but these fucking birds aren't coming from trees, they're coming from the fucking sky. I don't know how to explain it. And I know that I sound fucking crazy right now, but this sound is coming from the fucking sky. It's not coming from trees. It's pattern. These fucking birds are not chirping from trees, they're coming from the fucking sky. I can't explain this. It's like it's projected from the fucking sky, along with the holographic bullshit that we're seeing with the chemtrails. Where you can clearly see that the sky has a limit. I can't fucking explain this shit.